Hello and welcome back to my channel. As seen in the thumbnail, this video recipe is of plate shawarma. This is an interesting recipe. So as always, if you're watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe and also click the bell icon to get notifications for the videos that I'm posting. So let's get started. First, let's marinate the chicken. Here I have taken one full chicken cut into thin strips. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Then add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Here I have added it already. And add 2 tablespoons of shawarma spice, which I have already done a video earlier. I will be providing the link above. Click on the link and check out the video for the flavorful and authentic shawarma spice mix. Now mix it thoroughly until all the chicken pieces are well coated. To the mix, now add in salt as per your taste and gently mix everything together. Cover and refrigerate so that the marination coats to the chicken properly. I have refrigerated for 4 hours. More the refrigeration, more the taste. So this is after the refrigeration. Now to a non-stick pan, I have not greased the pan. Add in the chicken pieces, the marinated ones. As we have already put oil in our chicken marination, there is no need of putting any additional oil. The fat from the chicken and the oil that we have used in the marination is only needed to cook these chicken pieces. Now with the help of a tongue, flip the chicken pieces one by one so that all the chicken pieces are equally cooked. Wait for 2 minutes after flipping and give a toast so that the sides are even cooked. This will also help to coat those oil in the chicken. Toast the chicken in the similar way for 2 minutes. So our first batch of chicken is ready. We will transfer it to our plate. Repeat the process for the remaining chicken pieces. I have done it in batches so that all the chicken pieces are properly and evenly cooked. This is an inspired recipe from various Turkish restaurants here. So I have tried it many times and it's a great success. Watch till the end to see how it's been plated as well. So now I am repeating the second batch. So we are done with the cooking of the chicken pieces. You can even grill these chicken. When you're grilling, you don't have to cut this way. You can just keep the big pieces for grilling and then slice it, and then you can give a toast in the pan. To get the smoky flavor for the chicken, to the center of the plate I have added a steel bowl. To it add the burnt caul pieces and then sprinkle it with some oil. So you can see the smoke coming, we cannot help it escape. So I am closing it with a lid so that the entire chicken pieces gets the smoky flavor. For the final plating of this, we need some French fries. So I am frying some of it. You can fry as per your taste. If you want it crispy, you can fry for more time. Sprinkle with some salt as per taste. So now let's see how it is plated. In a bigger plate, add hummus. I have done a video earlier. I'll be providing the link above, so you can click on it and check out the video. This will be the base of the plate. With the help of a spoon, spread the hummus, covering the entire plate. To one side of the plate, add the garlic paste. This is homemade. If you are interested in the recipe, please comment below. I'll be doing another video. To another side, add salad. Here I have taken lettuce, cucumber and tomato. I have sprinkled some olive oil and salt to it. Now add in the cooked shawarma chicken. To another side, load it with French fries. So if you like it spicy, you can add green chilies to the sides. So our plate shawarma is ready to be served. You can enjoy it with Arabic bread. This is very heavy but super tasty as well. This can be served as lunch or dinner. Please do try out and send in your feedbacks in the comment box. You won't regret making it. This is super tasty and super delicious. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to the space for more interesting updates.